What's going on, traders? This video is simply to warn you guys heading into tomorrow and even next week that we could see a significant drop in the overall market. I'm going to give my reasons why, and whatever you do with the information is completely up to you. Whether you choose to troll me, whether you choose to follow along, again, completely up to you. Today in the Discord, we got an alert from Quant Data. You can follow their Twitter in case you're skeptical of anything I'm saying, but we got an alert from Quant Data at 3:51 p.m. Eastern Time, 10 minutes before close, that institutions loaded up triple Q 584 strike puts with an expiration of September 19th, which is tomorrow. Earlier today, we got another alert letting us know that institutions loaded up SPY 650 strike puts with an expiration of September 19th, which is tomorrow. Now, heading into tomorrow, we don't really have any news catalysts. We actually don't have any news catalysts outside of a Fed member speaking at 2:30 Eastern Time. But we also are supposed to get information in regards to tariffs when it comes to China and the US. Don't quote me on that. I haven't kept up with that news. All right. But when we look at the charts here, I'm going to keep it very, very simple, guys. Again, this is not going to be a long video. I'm going to keep it very simple here. The 21 MA, and I told Discord members about this, right? At some point in time, we always retest the 21 MA. Always. Okay. So here, for example, we can start here. I mean, you can start anywhere from the charts. So in case you want to follow along, put the 21 MA on your charts, and you're more than welcome to confirm anything I'm saying. You pump towards the upside, you retest the 21 MA. You pump towards the upside, you retest the 21 MA. You pump towards the upside, you retest the 21 MA. Again, this is the SPY, right? 4 hour time frame. Pump towards the upside, retest. Pump towards the upside, retest, so on and so forth. So far, we have not retested the 21 MA during this pump towards the upside. We go to the daily time frame, pretty much the same thing, right? You pump towards the upside, retest the 21 MA, pump towards the upside, 21 MA, pump towards the upside. You guys get the idea. At some point in time, we have to retest the 21 MA. Now, what's interesting about this, let's go back to the triple Qs here. The 21 MA on the triple Qs is all the way at about 580. Remember, I just told you guys, institutions are loading up 584 strike puts for tomorrow with expiration of tomorrow, right? So interesting enough, the 21 MA is at 580, 581 more or less. You go to the SPY, remember I just told you that institutions are loading up 65 strike puts for tomorrow as well. And if you look at the SPY, the 21 MA is at 650, 650, 651 more or less. All right. That's pretty much the video. All right. I'm not going to go into rising wedges and all that fun stuff. I know you guys hate when I talk about these patterns and all that, but that's what we're looking at. Okay. I don't know if these are going to play out, right? Maybe we continue towards the upside, those guys get cooked, and then, everything I said in this video is completely useless. So, again, do what you want with the information. Enjoy your night, guys. And until the next video, traders, have a good one.